Pepe may post a 6.9% rise tomorrow, according to crypto predictions. Let's start with the current setup and see how the chart is moving. As of this recording, Pepe has climbed by 2.6% over the past 24 hours and is trading around $0.50-$394. Let's break down today's forecast range. The chart could show $0.50-$389 by May 2 per coin codex, down 1.2% from now. Pepe is expected to reach $0.50-$392 per digital coin price, marking a decline of around 0.5%. Coin price forecast notes it might move higher towards $0.50-$398, roughly 1% up. A different forecast by crypto predictions shows Pepe could move upward to $0.50-$421, a projected increase close to 6.9%. And to wrap up, Gov Capital Collector sees the asset reaching $0.50-$43 by tomorrow with 9.1% upside. This forecast stands out as the most profitable. That sums up 5 expert insights. Let's go to the next. We've reviewed the outlooks. Now let's look at performance data. Looking at the forecasts in aggregate, the potential range for price changes runs from a decline of 1.2% to a rise of 9.1%, depending on the analyst. That makes Gov Capital Collector the leader with the highest projected return, with 9.1% gain in value by May 2. By the look of it, you could walk away with between $5 and $91 for every $1,000 you invest. From the probability standpoint, digital coin prices forecast has the highest chance of success at 93.7%. With all forecasts taken together, I've produced a consensus outlook. According to aggregated forecasts, Pepe might approach $0.50-$406, gaining near 3%. Let's crack this open. Consensus estimates suggest the price may climb 3% by tomorrow. In that case, your capital could also rise by about 3%. With $1,000 invested, the potential upside could be about $30. According to the consensus view, the scenario has an 81% likelihood of taking shape. To add context, let's check how analysts view the 3-day direction. CoinCodex signals a steady decline. Digital coin price projects the price advancing over the 3 days. For the near term, additionally, coin price forecast expects Pepe to follow an ascending path. Similarly, crypto predictions anticipates Pepe following a bullish course. Meanwhile, Gov Capital Collector anticipates the price heading north. Looking at all the views combined, the consensus indicates Pepe is expected to follow an upward path in the near term. Summing up, 80% of projections indicate a tilt to the upside for Pepe. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were posted. Now we'll see how they compared with the actual price. As a result, the daily candle closed at $0.50-$387. 3 out of 5 analysts made the right forecast about the direction. If we take accuracy into account, CoinDataFlow led the way. Now comes the breakdown. The session's candle included 3 forecasts. As far as ROI is concerned, several results were positive, with the peak gain reaching 3%. Here's the fact check summary, all performance data in one place. According to the fact check, Traders Union recorded 3% ROI and accuracy. Look carefully and spot who stayed closest to the real move. And now you can see how the forecasted returns for tomorrow differ among a few cryptocurrencies. Pepe falls behind with Dogecoin leading the table at 3.9%. Here we're featuring only 5 cryptocurrencies, while extended return comparisons are already available on my website. Before we close, hit like and subscribe if you want to keep following these multi-analyst breakdowns. Talk to you in the next one.